Welcome to Mr. Lacey's Phonics. What you're going to need for this lesson is a piece of paper and something to write with. Remember, parents, feel free to pause this video at any point if your child needs any extra time. And our sound today is ch. Ch. Ch, ch, ch. Have a go at saying that after me. Ch. One last time. Ch. Now we're going to hide it away in our pack of sounds that we already know. Qua. Pa. N. S. J. V. X. W. Y. L. S. R. D. K. Ch. Let's hide it one last time. Oh. Ah. L. M. Z. F. F. Z. B. E. A. G. K. K. T. I. Ch. Our sound today is ch. Let's have a look at some words with that sound in it. Ch. Op. Ch. Op. Chop. The woodcutter had to chop some wood. Have a go at writing chop on your piece of paper now. Chat, chat. You might like to chat to your friend. Have a go at writing chat on your piece of paper now. Itch, rich. If you have lots of money, you might be rich. Have a go at writing rich on your piece of paper now. Chin. Have a go at writing chin on your piece of paper now. Much. We haven't got much more to write. Have a go at writing much on your piece of paper now. Now we're going to have a look at some high frequency words. These are words that we read more often when we're reading. Now. 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 Have a go at writing that word on your piece of paper. Have. Have a go at writing that on your piece of paper. To. I'm going to somewhere. Have a go at writing to on your piece of paper now. Now we're going to have a look at some sentences with our words in it. I will chat now. I will chat now. I will chat now. Have a go at writing I will chat now on your piece of paper. Remember to include your punctuation. I have much to chop. I have much to chop. I have much to chop. Have a go at writing I have much to chop on your piece of paper. Remember to include your punctuation. Well done everyone, and I hope to see you here again soon for some more phonics.